All right, YouTube, welcome to another air fryer recipe by Frank's RedHot Buffalo. All you need is the package, olive oil, and either drumsticks or a combination of a wing package. So it's very easy. You just need to get a large bowl. All right, YouTube, so we have 1.5 pounds of wings in there, drumsticks. Take 1 tablespoon of oil, and then another one. You want to just drizzle that across the wings. All right, so take this and you want to sprinkle this whole package into the thing. You see the color right there? That's definitely Frank's hot sauce. All right, so we flip the wings and take the rest of that package and just coat the wings. And then you want to just start working this together and toss it, which only takes a couple minutes. You see that? So just keep tossing this till they're all coated. All right, YouTube, so you see the wings, they're coated. Now we want to just go right to the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so hit air fry. Time, 20 minutes. Temp, 380. And hit start, and it'll warm up. So let it warm up, and then we'll place the wings in there. All right, YouTube, so take your wings. You can hear them sizzle, and place these in a single layer, just like that. So we have them in the air fryer. See, 20 minutes. So see you at 10 minutes to flip them. All right, YouTube, so look at those wings. So you just want to flip them over. And make sure you flip them over. YouTube, so when it's flipped over, push it back in and let it finish off, and then we could eat. And there you have it, YouTube. Frank's hot wings. Actually, they're drumsticks. Like I said, you could use a wing package. It's all up to you, but look how crispy these are. And all you need, YouTube, is this package, which costs $2, and then you could have these wings. Talk to you soon. More air fryer recipes to come. Bye-bye.